Hey everyone, Jason here. Today we're going to make a creamy mushroom pasta. Let's check out the ingredients. So the ingredients you're going to need for the creamy mushroom pasta, you're going to need half a pound of sliced portobello mushrooms, half a pound of white mushrooms. You're going to need some cooking sherry, heavy whipping cream. You're going to want some fresh chives and fresh thyme, salt and pepper. You're going to need fettuccine pasta, some minced garlic. We have 2 cups of chicken stock and some butter for sauteing our mushrooms. So first step, we're going to saute our mushrooms. First thing we're going to do is we're going to saute our mushrooms. We're going to add our 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to add just a splash of olive oil. Okay, this is going to take some time. There's a lot of mushrooms and we're going to have to cook off some of the water. So we're going to brown that for several minutes until the mushrooms are nice and golden brown. Okay, as you can see, they're starting to brown up and you can see some of the water coming out. Just continually stir. I'm going to add a little salt and pepper. That'll also help get some of the water out of the mushrooms. So now our mushrooms are nice and golden brown, and we're going to go ahead and add our 4 cloves of minced garlic. Give that a quick stir. Next we're going to add 4 ounces of cooking sherry. And we're going to let that reduce down to almost nothing, and then we'll go on to our next step. Okay, now that our sherry has reduced down to almost nothing, we're going to add our 2 cups of chicken stock and let that reduce as well. Okay, now that our chicken stock is simmering nice, we're going to add our 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And we're going to let that simmer for, we'll start with 5 minutes and then go from there. I'm also going to start cooking my fettuccine noodles in some salt water. Okay, my water's boiling, so I'm going to add my full pound of fettuccine noodles. And we're going to cook that for 7 minutes. Okay, our pasta has about a couple minutes left to cook, so I'm going to add our chopped herbs. And we're going to shut the heat off on that. I'm going to mix that in. Then we're going to add about 3/4 of a cup of our grated parmesan cheese. Mix that in. Okay, we finished cooking the noodles. We've put them in a strainer and we're not going to rinse them. I'm going to let this sauce thicken up, and in the meanwhile I'm going to cook up some French bread on the grill with a little butter and garlic powder. Here's our garlic toast. All right, now I get to finally try it out. It smells amazing. It's rich, thick. Kind of reminds me of Alfredo. So let's give it a taste. Super rich. It was fresh cut herbs are amazing. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you.